Hey guys, welcome back. Today I got a 2012 Toyota Camry and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install the front bumper. Alright, I got the bumper on there. Now the reason why I put the bumper on without the grill was to go ahead and put these clips in. It just makes it easier to go ahead and put them in. So there's one here, there's one right in here, and then to make sure you clip this one in there as well. Alright, once you got those clipped in, remember this bumper has fog lights, so don't forget to go underneath. Just go ahead and go underneath and just plug it right into the fog light. Now once you have your fog lights plugged in, just make sure you get the undercover here. Just go ahead and just tuck it in and then bolt it down with your 10 millimeters going all the way across. So make sure you tighten that up. Cover nice and tucked in here. What you want to do now is just go right in here with your 10 millimeter bolt right here all around the car and just go ahead and tighten those down. Alright, now once you got that situated, just come to the side of the bumper right here now. And there's going to be a pushing clip here. Just put that in there. And there's going to be another clip. Kind of looks like this one here. Just go ahead and reinsert that where it belongs. Once you get that inserted, just go ahead and take a flathead and just turn it. All right, what you want to do now is go ahead and insert your grill. See these little tabs here? These tabs here, they slide right into the bumper like this. All right, perfect. Now that you got the grill in, you want to go ahead and insert 3 clips. We got one right here. There's another one right in here, and this one right here.
These are the clips right here that you're going to use, these little pushing clips. There's 1. There's 2. And then last but not least, 3.
Alright guys, there you have it. I installed the front bumper of a 2012 Toyota Camry. If you have any questions, just go ahead and comment on the video and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.